wish I had a stand for this camera.
Can you just put it up on the tray?
I need something to hold it. But that's why this location was good. You want to move? Yeah,
Just between
move
your-
the chips
Oh,
so you get maximum.
oh, now I can see it. Can you see it
Yeah.
all?
Yeah, I'll move right above you.
Okay.
I'll use your head for a
Yeah,
rest.
do that.
Wow, awesome.
My favorites are the gold sparkles.
Oh,
Pretty, 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 pretty.
Hancock, New Hampshire, fireworks. 2013, July 6th, a little past 8 o'clock at night.
No, 9 o'clock.
Is it 9 o'clock? Yeah, my sister will get a kick out of it, my sister and brother-in-law, because I'm always sending them little things about my view.
Oh, that was.
Mm.
I love those. Oh. You can put it on my head, it's fine. Try not to move.
Oh, awesome.
No, I love those. Just love it. Oh,
Mm.
yes, that's a little bit.
Jagger's behind us.
Oh, is he? He's
Yep.
out here?
No, he's not outside, he's inside. Because he's behind a glass door.
Oh.
Hi, Jagger.
He's watching. Yeah. Fireworks don't phase me.
Mm.
Ooh,
Wow.
that was fun. Oh, that's really different.
Pretty.
Yeah. They're lower.
Yeah, I wanted to get my grandchildren here to see this.
Did they watch the fireworks at New Venusa?
They don't have them like this at New Venusa. Matter of fact,
Well, the
some
individuals.
do-gooder said we shouldn't have fireworks at New Venusa at all because of the rubbish.
We have.
All right,
You know,
we
they're
have bats.
individuals. What's that about?
Yep.
I'm glad.
They're actually a lot more afraid of us than we are of them.
Oh, I'm not worried about bats. I want them back. We had thousands on the island.
Oh.
And then they all got that white nose disease and disappeared.
Oh. That's
We
a
didn't
shame.
have any insects then. You know, any mosquitoes.
Right.
When I was a little girl, they had the fireworks in the park next to my grandmother's.
Yeah.
And we go, and I could feel the booms in my chest, and it would scare me. I still remember how I felt.
Hi, Jagger.
He's not barking or crying or anything.
What?
He's not barking or crying or
No, no, I think he's okay about the fireworks. That arm's tired. Let me see.
Do you want me to do it?
Yeah, you just hold it so that the explosions are in the center.
Do I have to push something
You
though?
don't touch anything. It's still running. It's a videotape. Yeah, you got it. I found an empty wine glass. Oh, there's my water glass.
Mine will record as well. Just
Yeah,
never
you know
do
what?
it.
I should have used my old phone if it was charged up because it's got a much better camera. This has got a cheap camera in it. Cheaper. But still, I think it'll be good. And I download it to my computer and I download it to YouTube.
I love to watch them on the lake.
Oh, the reflection?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I thought that's what you were doing. I never knew so as well.
Oh no,
It's up to this side.
there goes the back.
Come get our mosquitoes, boy.
Yeah. Wow, good one. Oh, here comes a few more. We're building towards the finale.
You think?
I don't know.
That'd be brief.
Hmm.
How do they pay for them here?
I have no idea. It might be part of the town. I'll find out.
At the lake, people contribute to the people
Yeah.
who do it.
Want me to do it? Your arm getting tired?
No, I'm okay, thank you.
Good. Then I'll go get some wine.
Oh, that was pretty. Oh,
Biggies.
yeah,
I like that.
yeah.
There's a biggie coming. There it is. Come out.
Oh. Oh, that was really pretty.
I lost one bag of chips.
There was an it's beside
Oh,
me.
yeah.
There was one that was orange and blue. It's very different.
Yep. It's going on for a long time.
The sparklies. Oh, what's going to come now? They're just pieces falling.
Alley?
Nope.
Seems more rapid. Alright. I don't know. Awful lot of stuff. Yeah.
Yeah,
I think it is.
I think you're right.
Oh. Yep. Boom.
There's a car going along in the bottom of the...
Yep.
That's really pretty. Wonder how it'll photograph.
Maybe now.
Oh,
Yep.
that's really pretty.
Oh. Awesome.
Oh, I like that.
I like that too. Machine gun. Goes back and forth. Ah. More. Wow.
Around the lake, everybody cheers, blows their boat horns, their air horns.
I can't hear ya. Catch up later.
Yeah.
Remember.
You have the perfect spot.
That's a nice place to live. One, 1002. Is that 3,000 feet away? Or something? Seems about right.
Mosquitoes getting you?
Come on. Want me to take over with my hand?
I'm okay.
Tired yet? No. Doing a good job.
Thank you.
For an old cougar.
I know. I'm a young cougar.
Yeah. Whoa. Jagger's just sitting.
Isn't that funny?
Yeah.
Kitty gets under the console on the boat when I've taken her out with us. Whoa, that must be the end.
Maybe. Yeah.
love.
I can see how people. That's awesome.
A lot of smoke.
Different colors. We need one big boomer. Nope. That was it. Do you like it, Jagger?
Here, sweetheart.
Okay.
Look at it. It looks like a